Hey everybody, this is Simmons, and today I'm just going to be walking you guys through setting up my server and getting the language up and running to use in the project. We'll be going through downloading and installing MAMP, Komodo Edit, and then actually getting PHP up and running on the computer and displaying some text in the browser. So the first thing that we'll do is go to the MAMP homepage if you haven't installed MAMP already. I already have installed the program. It comes packaged with PHP, so once it's installed it should just be pretty close to being ready to use. There are two versions, MAMP and MAMP Pro. We'll be using MAMP, the gray one on the left hand side of the screen, and that's just because MAMP is free, whereas MAMP Pro is not. So once you download MAMP, it'll bring up this handy dandy installation wizard, and it'll walk you through all the steps of installing MAMP. It's pretty straightforward, and from there you can just access the MAMP application, which we've done right over here. And if you look at this little window, which is just your interface for your MAMP server, you can see that it has the Apache server and the MySQL server running. I got the green light on both of those, and we can actually from this interface go ahead and check to see if it's up and running like it's supposed to be. And on the left hand side of your page you'll see the PHP and MySQL sections, and this is the information we're concentrating on. It has the correct port, everything looks like it should be good, up and running, installed correctly, and if you have something that's like this, you're in the right spot. So we'll go ahead and close this and check out Komodo, since MAMP is running correctly. And Komodo Edit, rather, is just a free version of the Komodo IDE, and it looks similar to programs that I've used before, text editors that I've used before. I like the way Eclipse, some of the things that they had to offer, but Komodo just looked more familiar to me. You download it from the active state page, and it downloads a DMG file which you can open, and it will bring up another little installation wizard. And you just drag and drop Komodo into the applications folder, start it up, and you can use your Komodo software. Komodo obviously is installed and is up and running. I went and changed some of the preferences, but there wasn't a whole lot of configuration to do. If you select the preferences menu, it's got a wealth of options here, but font, things like that. In the editor window, I did change some things about indentation, save options, about the default file path that I use. Okay, that's not there. That's somewhere else in here. But I did do that. And languages, here we go. But really there wasn't a whole lot of configuration to do. It was pretty much just up and running on installation. But I went ahead and saved a PHP test file in my MAMP htdocs folder, and I went ahead and put some HTML in there, and it's just a simple HTML page with some PHP plugged into the body, and basically this file is only going to display this hello world message and then also display the date. It's going to have the day of the week as well as the date and the time, and it's going to do all that dynamically by querying this server over here. But from there, we'll just come into the browser, we'll open up a new tab, and we'll access that page. And actually right there, and you can see that, well, it's got the time a little bit off. It might have some time zone issues to fix, but it did get the day and the day of the week right, and so it looks like PHP is up and running and functioning on my computer. So that's how to set up my server environment. We just downloaded MAMP, set up it in Komodo Edit to edit our actual PHP, and it was pretty straightforward. MAMP comes packaged with pretty much everything you need. So we're ready to go. Good luck to everybody, and I wish you the best on your projects.